I apologize for my colleagues. I apologize for the elderly ones. We tried our best, but our time is over. I told you I've been preaching for 50 years. The more I try to talk about righteousness, the more the place is spoiled. We've missed it. I myself am overwhelmed, because those who are spoiling it are more than those who are repairing it. I apologize for my generation. Everywhere they're looking for money, you're the one we are waiting for. The same way the whole of Israel under Saul waited for 40 days under Goliath until David came. And the entire Israel and Jewry, when David came, was as if to say, David, welcome. You're the one we've been waiting for. We've been embarrassed that one uncircumcised Philistines have embarrassed all of us who are circumcised. And we have no answer.